the party president of Democratic Party, DP, that is Norbert Mao, has issued official letter regarding the alleged abduction of the town council mayor, that is Acholi, straight from the headquarters office of the president of Democratic Party, Honorable Norbert Mao. Statement on the abduction of fearless Kilama Acholi, DP chairman per the district, who is also per the town council mayor. Kampala, January 6, 2025. We have learned of the brutal abduction of His Worship Fearless Kilama Acholi, who is the DP chairperson of Pade district, and also the mayor of Pade Town Council. Kilama was abducted today morning from the premises of the High Court in Kitgum, where he had gone to attend court. The court matter arises from charges against the mayor and 32 others in 2021 during the COVID-19 lockdown. The mayor and his co-accused were charged with participating in a protest against illegal actions of the security forces who were beating up residents, forcing them to leave the town outside curfew times. The Democratic Party condemns the abduction of Mayor Kilama because it is illegal, high-handed, and undermines the rule of law. In our previous statements, we have denounced the whole case as an abuse of the judicial process, because the incident in question arose during a meeting called by the Pade District LC5 chairman and Mayor Kilama only came in the calm down the rowdy crowd on account of his popularity and the esteem he enjoys in the local community. Furthermore, the president had previously guided that all cases related to the COVID-19 lockdown period should be reviewed with a view to having them withdrawn. The COVID lockdown period imposed hard conditions on Ugandans, particularly the poor who complied with the government directives while struggling to survive. It is therefore reasonable that such cases be reviewed. We call for the immediate release of Mayor Kilama by those who are holding him in illegal detention. The DP Vice Chairperson Simon Obwoya and the President of the party youth organ of the Uganda Young Democrats, UYD, Ismail Kiria, are on the ground to monitor the situation and ensure that Mayor Kilama is released unconditionally, signed by DP President Norbert Mao. I think this case is going to expose a very bad side of LC5 chairperson Obwoya Fearless if he is not careful, because Norbert Mao is clearly stating here that even the president is saying that cases which came related to COVID-19 lockdown should be withdrawn. And Norbert Mao is the Minister of Constitution in Uganda, and also Dodoth, one of the biggest lawyers in Uganda and a top actually diplomat, also a political philosopher, has also spoken about this thing.
Mao mayor, kwenye mayor, duoki court. Kwenye mayor duoki court. One lawyer was take log working court. Kachi a parameter money, wa be mobilizing Chapet wa biuno dorema deep pate, my lawyer dore man me corona ni. Mano donga yabe biuno tell you. Dorema deep public.
That is just a sample of the speech of Dr. Dodoth. Coming up next is his speech. Stay tuned, stay subscribed here, as the speech is coming in both Luo and English language. The English language will be the last part. Thank you.